Did you know that way back in the 80s Porsche built their very own minibus or microbus as we call it in South Africa? In this video, we take a look at arguably the coolest 911-engined minivan. As most people in the world know it as the Volkswagen T3 Microbus, for its age and size these box-shaped vehicles surprisingly handled pretty well. Most people often joke about its layout being a rear-engined rear-wheel drive, which essentially made it a Porsche 911. As it turns out, Porsche actually did fiddle with the T3 and built a much hotter version in the 80s. The Porsche B32. Now a short lesson on T3s. Unlike the South African-only Audi 5-cylinder engined microbus that populates our roads, the rest of the world's buses only received an asthmatic water-cooled flat-4 motor, known as the Wasserboxer, Waterboxer in German. The story goes that when Porsche needed a supply vehicle that could keep pace with the team operations during their stint in the Dakar Rally with the 959, engineers lifted a 170 kilowatt, 3.2-litre air-cooled flat-6 engine and transmission from a 911 Carrera and dropped it into a T3 bus. The idea caught on and was developed to a point where Porsche reportedly built 10 road-going B32s between 1983 and 1985. In addition to the much stronger engine, the B32 featured upgraded suspension and brakes. Cosmetic additions are subtle, Fuchs wheels, slightly larger front and rear bumper lips, Porsche badging and additional side intakes to feed the 3.2-litre LUM. This all resulted in a bus that could dash out to 100 km an hour in about 8 to 9 seconds and go to a top speed of up to 217 km an hour. Being as rare as they are, one could not imagine any B32 would be cheap, but this oddity has certainly secured a permanent spot in most people's garage.